planet is a large object that orbits a star, such as Jupiter or Earth. It is smaller than a star and emits no light. Planets are round spheres. Moons are objects that orbit planets. The solar system has 8 planets, but there were 9 until Pluto's classification changed. A planet is a large non-star astronomical object. It is a celestial body that orbits the Sun within the solar system. Astronomical refers to or pertaining to the science of astronomy. Astronomy is a natural science that studies celestial, or astronomical, objects. Planet is an ancient term with roots in history, astrology, science, mythology, and religion. The distinction between a planet and other objects orbiting the Sun has evolved over time. Astronomers in ancient times observed how certain lights moved across the sky, as opposed to stationary stars, which remained in the same position in the sky. The invention of the telescope allowed for the discovery of many more planetary objects, each with its own unique size, shape, and orbit. Human perception of the planets evolved as scientific knowledge advanced. A small telescope or binoculars can be used to see all 8 planets. It is unknown how planets form with certainty. Planets, according to scientists, begin as grains of dust no larger than the width of a human hair. They form from the massive, donut-shaped disk of gas and dust that surrounds young stars. Material within the disk collides due to gravity and other forces. If the collision is gentle enough, the material fuses and grows in the form of rolling snowballs. Dust particles combine over time to form pebbles, which grow into mile-sized rocks. This process takes billions of years to complete. The 8 solar planets are classified into 2 groups. Giant planets with a low density. Terrestrial rocky planets of small size. Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Neptune are the 4 giant planets. Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus are the 4 terrestrial planets. There have been over 5,000 extrasolar planets discovered. More than 100 of these planets are roughly the same size as Earth. The planet Pluto was discovered in 1930. It was initially thought to be larger than Earth and was accepted as the 9th major planet. Further investigation revealed that it was much smaller than previously thought, so it is no longer recognized as the 9th planet. Planets revolve around invisible axes that run through their centers. A stellar day is the rotation period of the planet. Most planets rotate in the same counterclockwise direction that they orbit the Sun. The exceptions are Venus and Uranus, which rotate clockwise. Jupiter is the solar system's largest planet. It is also the 5th planet in the solar system. This planet is enormous, approximately 11 times the size of Earth. It is more than twice the size of all the other planets in the solar system combined. It has an average diameter of 139,822 kilometers, 86,881 miles. The familiar stripes and swirls of Jupiter are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water floating in a hydrogen and helium atmosphere. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a massive storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. This planet was named by the Romans after their king of gods, who was also the god of the sky and thunder. Jupiter is home to 63 moons. Saturn is the solar system's second largest planet. It is the sixth planet in the solar system. It has an average diameter of 116,464 kilometers, 72,367 miles, which is roughly 9.5 times that of Earth. Saturn is a massive sphere composed primarily of helium and hydrogen. Saturn stands out among the planets due to its thousands of beautiful ringlets. The planet Saturn was named after the Roman god of agriculture, Saturn. Saturn is home to 33 moons. Uranus is our solar system's third largest planet. Uranus is nearly 4 times the size of our planet. It has an average diameter of 50,724 kilometers, 31,518 miles. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by astronomer William Herschel, who mistook it for a star or a comet at first. It was only 2 years later that it was recognized as a planet. It was the first planet discovered using a telescope. Because Uranus' axis is at 97 degrees, it orbits while lying on its side. Uranus was named after an ancient Greek sky god. Uranus has 21 moons. Neptune is the fourth largest planet in terms of diameter and the densest of the giant planets. It is the solar planet that is the furthest away from the Sun. It has a mass 17 times that of the Earth. It has a diameter of 49,244 kilometers on average, 30,599 miles. Neptune was named after the Roman sea god Neptune. Neptune has 13 moons. Earth is the solar system's largest terrestrial planet. It is the fourth smallest planet, only slightly larger than Venus. It has an average diameter of 12,742 kilometers, 7,917.5 miles. Earth is the only planet known to harbor life and is over 4 billion years old. Although there is a lot of water all over the solar system, only Earth has surface water. The ocean covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface. The only planet not named after a Greek or Roman god or goddess is Earth. There is only one moon on Earth. Venus is the planet closest to the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of beauty and love. Venus is only slightly smaller than the Earth. Planet Venus is also known as Earth's sister because its size is nearly identical to that of Earth. It has an average diameter of 12,104 kilometers, 7,521 miles. After the Moon, Venus is the brightest natural object in Earth's night sky. Because of the abundance of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, Venus is the hottest planet. There are no moons orbiting Venus. Mars is the solar system's second smallest planet. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. The planet Mars is named after the Roman god of war, Mars. It It has been thoroughly investigated. Seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, and extinct volcanoes all exist on Mars. Iron oxide in the soil gives it its red color. It's dusty and cold outside, with a thin atmosphere. It has an average diameter of 12,104 kilometers, 7,521 miles. Mars has the largest volcano in our solar system, measuring nearly 17 miles in height. Mars has 2 moons. Mercury is the solar system's smallest planet. It is also the planet that is closest to the Sun. The planet Mercury was named after the Roman god Mercurius. It is only 0.38 times the size of the Earth and slightly larger than our Moon. It has a diameter of 4,880 kilometers, 3,032 miles. Mercury's orbit around the Sun is the shortest of all the Sun's planets, taking 87.97 Earth days. There are no moons orbiting Mercury. The Sun is not a planet, but rather a star, and it is the largest object in our solar system. The diameter of the Sun is approximately 109 times that of the Earth. It is 1,392,680 kilometers long, 865,371 miles. The Sun is approximately 1,300,000 times larger in volume than Earth. This implies that approximately 1,300,000 Earth-sized objects could fit inside the Sun.